Hey everybody. I just got in a nice haul today from BH Cosmetics. And also I got a couple lippies from Wish. So I wanna kinda show y'all these real quick. I know no makeup today. I'm getting ready to put it on though. I'm gonna go on Facebook Live and do it. This is the metallic lipstick I got off of Wish. It's very, very pretty. Purple. It's my favorite color, so y'all gonna see a lot of purple on my channel. A lot of purple. And this one, I think is a black. Yep, it's black. Okay, so I'm gonna do a smoky lip today. A smoky look on Facebook Live today. Alright, so those are the two items that I got from Wish. Now, this is my BH Cosmetic haul. I have two BH liquid eyeliners, which I opened up one of them just to see what it looked like before I did this video, and it's pretty cute. I needed a pen instead of, the little nail polish thing with the brush and all that stuff. So this is the eyeliner pen, a lot easier for me to work with. So I have that from BH Cosmetics, and I ordered two of those in black. Let's see. Let me go into my actual order first before I get into my gift. I love this packaging. This is pretty cool. It's like, it's got ridges in it. It's like net paper. Like, it's really cool. I like that. It's different. I like anything that's different. Alright, y'all. I've been waiting on this here. I got Take Me Back to Brazil. I am so excited to use this palette right here. I am too excited. Oh, look how pretty it is. Oh, look at that. And it has a mirror. Uh-oh. It's on and popping for me. Alright, y'all. That's the first one. Now, this is part of my order here to Take Me Back to Brazil. And then I got this big smoky eye palette. So I am in love with the smoky eyes. So this is a 28 color eyeshadow palette, smoky eyes. BH Cosmetics, y'all. Alright, let's see. Can I open this one? These boxes are so cute. I love the way they have their packing. Oh, and it's clear, see-through. I can see through, y'all. It's got all the pretty smoky colors in here. And even over to here, looks like some Mauve smoky colors. I have to be careful because I am famous for breaking or cracking a palette before I actually use it. So, oh, look at that. It's a lot of pretty reds. It's like pink, reddish, pink, purple, blue, silver, black, gray. All the smoky colors, which I'm going to get into this palette today. Definitely. BH Cosmetics, y'all. Alright, that's it for my haul for today, y'all. Didn't get much, but next time I will be getting more. And I will have the video up for y'all. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. This was my gift from BH Cosmetics for my purchase. Let's see. This is the Urban Luxe Cool to Go 6-color eyeshadow palette. Now this one does not want to come out the box, but it's very beautiful. I love those pinks. The pink and the black. That would have matched my nails perfect. It has this pretty pink, and it has the purple, and this looks like a tannish color. It's really pretty though, and the black. So y'all will see me working with these palettes over the next weeks. I plan on doing 3 live videos a week, and I will be working on my editing skills and publishing them on YouTube for the world to see, those that are not on my YouTube channel. So follow me at Diamond Girls Allure And follow me at Diamond Girls Allure RVA on Facebook. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Diamond Girls RVA. I'm sorry, Diamond Girls Allure on Instagram, Diamond Girls Allure on Facebook, Diamond Girls Allure RVA on Facebook. Also, you can find me on Twitter. I think it's Diamond Girls RVA on Twitter. But yeah, I want y'all to have a wonderful weekend, and you will see my live going up sometime soon. So subscribe. Y'all have a good day.